Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. So guys, today I'm discuss very important topic about that YouTube 8-minute secret. So what is the YouTube monetization 8-minute secret? So a lot of people are uploading video will be 8 minutes videos. What is the main advantage for 8 minutes videos and less than 8 minutes? Previous this 8 minutes will be give for up to 10 minutes option. But newly updated is called the video 8 minutes is more preference by the audience. What is the major update in this? Coming to the your manage studio in the particular video, I'll show the two options: less than 8 minutes or more than 8 minutes. What is the monetization rules? It's coming to this point, 7 minutes 46 seconds. Now I'm click the edit. In this edit, I'll go to monetization option. In this, we have to creating for display, overlay, sponsor card, skippable and non-skippable. In the default option will be display ad, overlay, sponsor, skippable, non-skippable, which is not required. We can disable that option. Here, the managing mid-rolls will be disabled. Why? This video will be less than 8 minutes. That mean by we can't create the custom ads. We can't create the custom ads. If any user earning money from more, the video will be more than 8 minutes. So I'll open the 8 minutes video, 8 minutes 15 seconds. In this 8 minutes 15 second, click for monetization. In this, they enable by the manage mid-roll. Here, what are the ad you have to display, select and add breaks. We can create the n number of ads. There's a skippable, non-skippable, lot of options are there. That all will be given by the manage mid-rolls. So that is called the 8 minutes video. We can earning for more money purpose. People uploading the more than 8 minutes videos. Suppose you can give instructions, there is a required minimum 1 minute. If earning for more money purpose, the video will upload for 8 minutes video where into YouTube channel. This option will be get more benefit for the users by creating for traffic also. The traffic earning money from 8 minutes, they create the mid-roll ads that is called earning will be increased based on the views and what's the minutes. The rule is follow. That is a major thing is called YouTube channel. The people uploading for 8 minutes video, major reason is called based on the watch minutes, the ad will be displayed earning for money on the 8 minutes video option. So clear guys, whoever creating for YouTube videos, 8 minutes video will be properly followed to increase earning purpose. And the content should be not bored. The content should be good, definitely earning the increase on the particular YouTube channel views. So this is the purpose. People uploading 8 minutes videos on your YouTube channel. Previous is called 10 minutes. Now will be 8 minutes option. Follow this option and any further doubts, ask me. I definitely will be support. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our channel.